Most Indians are deeply religious and don't think twice about donating a generous portion of their wealth to temples. In fact, devotees have often been seen donating entire sacks of gold, silver, and even diamond to temples. So it's hardly surprising that some temple trusts are ridiculously rich. They are so wealthy, in fact, that a few of India's temples have a net worth more than the entire GDP of some countries. Don't believe me? Take a look. The Padmanabha Swami temple located in Thiruvananthapuram isn't just the richest temple in India, but also the world. The temple shot to fame in 2011 when 5 secret cellars were opened after being sealed for decades. What was found could render anyone speechless. Antique gold ornaments, a gold idol of Mahavishnu estimated to be worth 500 crore rupees, a sack full of diamonds, golden crowns, 17 kilograms of gold coins, gold trinkets weighing 1 ton, an 18-foot-long golden necklace, and thousands of pieces of antique jewelry were found. The Padmanabha Swami Temple Trust is so rich, no one can actually even estimate its worth. But it's touted to be over ₹1 trillion. Tirupati's Balaji temple was considered India's wealthiest temple till the treasure of Padmanabha Swami was discovered. But it is still the world's wealthiest temple in terms of the donations it has received. Dedicated to Lord Venkateshwara, this temple receives donations worth almost 40 crore rupees every single day. In addition to that, the temple trust has gold ornaments of over 50 tons. Every year, the temple converts 3,000 kilograms of gold received in donation boxes from pilgrims as gold reserve deposits with India's nationalized banks. Sai Baba has millions of followers all over the world. And the Shirdi Temple Trust is reportedly the 3rd richest in India. Estimated to be worth around 2,000 crore rupees, the trust is known for helping the needy in times of crisis. 380 kilograms of gold and over 4,000 kilograms of silver are believed to be a part of this temple's earnings. The temple also gets donations worth almost 200 crore rupees every year. The holy cave of Vaishno Devi gets over 1 crore pilgrims each year, making it the 2nd most visited temple in India after Tirupati. Reports suggest that the temple, which is located at an altitude of 5,200 feet in the Himalayas, collects cash donations worth 500 crore rupees every year. Apart from this, it has got 1.2 tons of gold in the last 5 years. Mumbai's famous Siddhivinayak temple is dedicated to Lord Ganesh and is visited by lakhs of devotees, including several big politicians, renowned businessmen, and Bollywood stars. Reports suggest that the temple earns around 125 crore rupees annually and has amassed around 1.5 tons of gold. Amritsar's Golden Temple has tremendous religious significance. It is the holiest shrine in Sikhism. The upper floors of the Gurdwara have been constructed using 400 kilograms of gold. The holy Guru Granth Sahib kept inside the temple is studded with diamonds, precious stones and jewels. It is estimated that an average 40,000 pilgrims visit the Golden Temple every day, and donations give it an annual income of around 50 crore rupees. A large part of these earnings are given back to society through a massive community kitchen that is constantly feeding people. Situated on the banks of river Ganga, Varanasi's Kashi Vishwanath temple has managed to maintain its glory despite being looted and demolished in the past. The temple hosts almost 50 lakh devotees every year. The annual donation received is around 5 crore rupees. Apart from this, the temple has 3 domes, 2 of which are plated with solid gold. The Kashi Vishwanath temple's latest records peg its worth around 75 crore rupees. The wealth of Gujarat's Somnath temple was so bountiful that Turkish ruler Mahmud of Ghazni looted it 17 times for its gold and silver collections. It was also looted by Aurangzeb and later by Portuguese invaders. But despite all these attacks, the temple retains its splendor. While the exact wealth of the trust remains undisclosed, the temple possesses plenty of assets, including 1,700 acres of land, giving it a spot in this list of India's wealthiest temples. Located in Gujarat, the temple is known for receiving sacks of gold and diamond jewelry from diamond merchants. Madurai's Meenakshi temple witnesses the footfall of almost 20,000 devotees on a daily basis, from whom it earns an annual income of around 6 crore rupees. During the Meenakshi Tirukalyanam festival, plenty of donations are seen in gold, silver and diamonds. The temple also has 2 carts made from gold that add to its net worth. Puri's Jagannath temple is one of the Char Dhams of Hinduism and receives nearly 30,000 worshippers daily, which can go up to 70,000 on festivals. The temple once got nearly 2 crore rupees donation from a European devotee. There are also 30,000 acres of land registered under the name of Lord Jagannath. Estimates suggest that the deities are adorned in 209 kilograms of gold during the Rath Yatra. The entire worth of the temple is more than 150 crore rupees. How many of these temples have you visited? Let us know in the comments. If you liked this video, please share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to our channel to discover more about incredible India.